Hey everybody, Sean Farrell here with Miller 3D, your one-stop shop for all of your additive needs in the tri-state, Pittsburgh, and Pennsylvania areas. Actually down at Gateway Engineering, fantastic engineering firm, always looking to be on the cutting edge of technology to complement their customers and their needs, and also supporting a lot of their development work, civil work, as well as structural, etc. Actually ended up adopting our CJP 660 Pro unit. To do so, let's take a quick look.
Hey everybody, Sean here from Miller 3D down at Gateway Engineers. Gonna go walk through the CJP 660 Pro unit for high quality, vibrant prototyping. Here with my application engineer, Pat Harrington. He's gonna walk through the machine. Pat?
Sure. So here we have the ProJet 660 Pro. This is a full color machine capable of 6 million colors. And what we're able to do is print in a gypsum powder material. So the way that this machine works is we have an axis that comes back from front to back and left to right on the machine. And we're using HP print heads from paper printers to deposit colored binding agents that we have up here onto the powder. Wherever those binding droplets land, it solidifies the powder. And after the print, the part is then removed as a powder cake. The unbound powder is then recycled back into the system using this vacuum system. And the rest of the parts are transferred over here to the post-process unit. In here, we're able to take our parts and do what we call fine depowdering, where we're able to use our air wand and some brushes to get off any residual powder. That powder also goes back into the system and then is recycled. And then over to our last step in the process, where we take our parts, we dip them in what we call color bond, which is essentially an infiltrant, very similar to super glue, which penetrates into the porous parts, makes the colors pop out, and adds strength and rigidity to these models. And here we have some. So I'm going to try to get some of it in there to seal the hollow part, and I'm going to pour it back out. And that's all I need. I'm going to come over here, and I'm just going to start blotting it. It's starting to get warm. And then I'll leave it over here to dry. Okay? Alright guys, here we have some samples that we just did overnight.
So long story short, if you ever need any high quality colored parts for any project that you have, Gateway Engineer specializes in civil engineering, land development, etc. Definitely can complement any of those, but anything even above and beyond that, these guys are going to be able to handle it. If you have any questions, Sean from Miller 3D, feel free to reach out, throw some comments below. We're happy to go back and forth on some questions, and we look forward to hearing from you.